Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
To ensure that we shut down the business of killing you, shut down the business of lying about it, and we shut down every kind of government as hatred for the people.
Ẹ jọ sọ àṣẹ ìwò pé àwa ọ̀dọ́ ti ṣe tán fún àyípadà ní ọdún 2023 tó ń bọ̀ yìí.
Ó kù sọ́wọ́ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ àní wọ́n ṣe kọ́dá lè lánú kakọ̀ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ṣe ń lọ lẹ́ṣẹ̀ máa mọ̀ gbàdá bá dẹ̀ di 2023 a máa mọ̀ pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ṣe tán àbí wọ́n ṣe tán láti gbára wọn lẹ̀ nínú oko ẹrú tí a mọ̀ sí Nàìjíríà. Off it. What do we want?
Just say anything has changed since 2020.
No, nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
I was arrested in 2021 January. My nose was broken by the police. That was a year after NSAS. Nothing has changed.
If you identify when you guys
every police unit was set up extra constitutionally. But most importantly, we must punish the people who do this. Punish those who have been Justice! Àǹpàrọ̀ irọ́ yẹn ló gbé Nàìjíríà débi tó wà yìí. Ẹ̀kọ́ táwọn sọ ni pé àwọn tó ń pa wọ́n lẹ́bi. Lára àwọn tí wọ́n ò rí pa tí wọ́n gé lẹ́sẹ̀ tó ń gé lápá gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n wà nínú mi wà nínú mọ́tò mi. So àwọn sọ fún wọn pé irọ́ níjọba ń pa wọ́n pààyàn wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé wọ́n pààyàn torí ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe tí wọ́n fẹ́ kí àwọn aráàlú mọ̀ pé wọ́n pààyàn. Ìmí nínú àwọn tó ń pa wọ́n gbógun wọn sápamọ́ títí di sí àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí wọn ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ bí wọ́n wà láyé bí àwọn ò sí láyé. Àwọn atáṣírí ìjọba ń bí ni láti ṣe ìrántí àwọn tí wọ́n jà takuntakun láti rí pé ìwà àbàjẹ́ tó wà nínú ọlọ́pàá wọn ò rí ṣe wọn ò rí mú.
Tí a bá wo ọdún 2020 tí ìwọ́de ẹ̀sà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ àti Nàìjíríà òde òní tí a lè sọ pé ìyàtọ̀ ti bá ọlọ́pàá ta torí ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Kò tí ì sí yàtọ̀ ní ọdún 2021 January nígbà tá a lọ ṣe protest ìbí àwọn náà pọ́n imú mi. Wọ́n ò tí ì fi ìwà yẹn sílẹ̀ rárá.
Ìbò 2023 ń bọ̀ lọ́nà báyìí. Kí wá ní àmọ̀ràn yín fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ tó ń
ṣe pàtàkì pé káwọn ọ̀dọ́ mọ ọ̀rẹ́ wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀tá wọn. Àwọn ọ̀tá wọn wọ́n pa wọ́n ní Tollgate. Lára àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ibi yẹn wọ́n wà lára àwọn tó ń gbé gbàkútí ní 2023. Ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ wọ́n tó bá wù yín ẹ lọ dìbò fáwọn apààyàn ó kù sọ́wọ́ yín.
ẹ ṣe púpọ̀ sọ.
Ẹ ṣe.
ẹ jọ orúkọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí bàbá wa.
Ọmọyẹlé Sowore. Today is for the killings, the Lekki massacre. It is popularly known to remember those who were killed, whose bodies were found, those whose bodies were not found, those who were mutilated, those who were wounded, injured, and those who have not recovered from the psychological trauma of Lekki attacks. So that's why we are here. I'm here because I participated actively in Lekki, in NSAS, but in Abuja because I was restricted to Abuja. This is my first time in Lagos, by the way, since NSAS massacre took place. So I came here to join others to just remember our great heroes. These are the real heroes of Nigeria, modern day Nigeria, not those who were drinking tea in London to get independence.
So, Mr. Sowore, can you, based on what's happening today, can you have a word of advice to the federal government so that nobody will be there? I'm
not in the business of advising the federal government. They have advisors already.
What I'm saying like this is, see, I'm in the stage here. We have 180 cases. We have 180 cases. You know, are we not going to learn anything from inside? Are you not going to learn anything from inside? Why not? Why not? So why are you doing this? No, we are not. On air. There's no basis for air.
No, let's you have children as well.
No, don't do that. How do you wrong? How do you do that?
They are attacking peaceful protesters on a day that is they know is our day. It's the day of those who are killed at Lekki Tollgate. Why are they shooting at people?
Do that now.
And they think we will run away from them?
We are not running to anywhere. We are not going to anywhere. We cannot be inside water and soap will be entering our eye. Never. Darkness can never rule over light. The time has come for the earth to permit what is swallowed.
You open your eyes.
Can never rule over us.
Or we fall for nothing. And I use this opportunity to call the Nigerian police. This is not going to solve the problem. We are doing a peaceful walk. We are doing a solidarity walk. This is not a fight. This is just a walk. So remember the people that were killed in the answer. Therefore, we should take note, please. We cannot afford to be killed anymore.
At all, not
we
at all.
cannot afford to die for a peaceful walk anymore.
At all.
Enough is enough.
Never.
Look at all of us peacefully walking here. No guns, we are just using our voice.
Shooting tear gas at
all
us.
You can do is to let us be.
Sure.
All you can do is support us.
Sure.
Dear Nigerian,
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, subscribe.
Face TV was Swoby.